Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of integrating Simvoly with Moosend, a popular email marketing platform. Integrating these two platforms allows you to seamlessly sync your Simvoly website with Moosend's powerful email marketing tools. Let's get started. First, log in to your Simvoly account using the link in the description. Next, hover over to My Sites and Funnel and click on the settings icon of your funnel or website. Now form the settings page. Choose the Application tab from the left sidebar. To integrate Moosend with Simvoly, click on Add Applications or the plus icon. Scroll down to choose Moosend and click on Connect. A page will appear that will ask for your Moosend API key. To get your Moosend API key, simply log into your Moosend account by using the link in the description and click on More option on the top bar. Open the settings and select API from the left sidebar. Copy your API key and paste it into the given field in Simvoly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Simvoly with Moosend, allowing you to leverage the power of both platforms to grow your audience and engage with your website visitors effectively. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Simvoly and Moosend for free.